Things are getting tough out there with compounding inflation, new tariffs, job losses, etc. Everyone from businesses to consumers are tightening their belts in order to save more money. But savings aren't what's left after the month or spending is over. They're what you commit to at the very beginning. So today, let's break down how to build a savings even if you feel like you're going broke. Now, in today's video, we're learning how to build habits that will help us to quickly and easily save money, build our savings, and get to our financial goals without it feeling too overwhelming or impossible. Stay tuned to the end to get access to a free spending audit template that will help you with this journey. So let's start from zero. We'll call this the not broke but building phase because wealth starts with structure and intention. First things first, we want to stop outflows as much as possible, whether it's for housing, food, utilities, whatever it is. Just like businesses, we have to start cutting costs. If you're wondering how you're going to do this, then have no fear. A simple strategy is to first get a piece of paper or a notebook and write down every time you spend any money. This will give you a clear picture of what you're spending and where you can reduce the money outflow. Now that we have a list that shows where our money is going, we can start spending it on assets that will make us more money. So something like a laptop, courses, a tool even, just to securely make sure we can raise money. Now that we know where our money is going and we have secured an asset that can earn us money, it's time to start directing our money into the right places. Whether you're using an account, envelope, or jars, you need at least 3 of them. One for everyday expenses and spending, one for investments, and the last one for savings, with at least $1 going into your savings systematically. Whether it's once a day, once a week, or monthly, the investments account is for just those things, investment. Whether you want to do it in your education, traveling, medical bills, that will be totally separate from your savings account. Now that we have a foundation for our finances, the next set of strategies can be mixed and matched based on your goals and finances, but it should be helpful universally. Before anything else comes out of your paycheck, do a deduction that instantly goes to your savings so that you don't have to do it, and increase the amount as needed. To help with this, you can follow the 1% rule where you save 1% of your income and double it as needed. Zero-based budgeting. And this ensures that every dollar you have has a job and not just a place to go. Audit your expenses regularly. Is your rent $3,500? Can it be less? You can download our free spending audit template to start saving and get a better handle of your finances. I hope you found this helpful and follow for more helpful tips and templates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, keep dreaming, keep creating.